everyone. As part of the GCP squad, we have introduced a GCP hack that will be shared with you all once a month. This is really a great opportunity to share and learn some GCP tips that will help drive efficiency in your day-to-day work. With the volume of data that we churn on a daily basis, deep dives carried out, performing quick analysis has become a norm. Therefore, learning some tweaks is the way to go. We would like to introduce the hack of the month, that is using parameters.
Thanks, Ritika. So as you mentioned, this month we'll talk about the benefits of parameters and how we can use them to help us and our business partners run data in GCP without all the hassle of accessing code. So what is a parameter? Well, simply put, it is a cell in our Google Sheets that contains data that we can use in our GCP queries. For example, the cell can contain, last fiscal week. It could be a merch manager code, or today's example, we'll use a list of articles in the query that will retrieve some data for us. So here I have a current existing query with about 12 articles which I've ran. At the moment, the old way of doing it is manually putting in all the articles here and then maintaining that by having someone go in and change it if we need to change it in the future. What the hack allows us to do is it makes us change the articles outside the query. So first of all, what you need to do is set up a tab where you can set up the parameter. So in this example, we'll have a list of articles that we can paste in here, and then it'll put it into a particular format on a helper column in column D. And then finally, most importantly, this will be our cell reference in E5, which will basically concatenate all the articles into a single cell. So here's something I prepared earlier, a list of 12 articles from the deli. I'm just going to copy it over and paste it in here so that the article name is not important, it's just the article number which will be used for the cell reference right here. So I'm just going to copy the line of code that I recommend everyone using and going back to that query and setting it up in here. So I'll just paste it into here, delete the original line of code, and then final step is to set up our parameter. So we click on the top right parameter section, press add. In my example, I called the parameter articles1. So I'll just call it articles1 here. And then the most important step is to link the cell that we've set it up. So we'll go back to the parameters tab and click on cell E5 and then press OK. And then we'll say add, and we wait for the green tick of approval. Here we go. So we press connect, go back to the query, and voila, same data, but now the benefit is that teams can go in here and just populate anything they want, refresh, and get all sets of new data populated. So back to you, Pratika.
Thank you, Sasha. Very valuable tip. So team, hope you found this share useful. As Sasha mentioned, going forward, all you need to do is update the parameters tab, the cells highlighted in yellow, and refresh your query. The examples with the files will be shared with you after this video. Thank you, bye for now, and looking forward to sharing another hack next month.